Hello guys, what's up? What's going on? Hoping you guys are fine. Welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be giving you tips on how to become an online tutor. At the end of this video, you should know how you can become an online tutor from whichever country you're in. I'll also give you the sites that you can use if you want to become an online tutor. That is sites that are going to give you online tutoring jobs. Before we begin this video, please like this video because it's going to be so informative. In case you don't know what an online tutor is, but of course from the word online tutor you can tell it's all about tutoring. It's all about becoming a tutor, becoming a teacher. So if you're an online tutor, all you do is teach. And anybody can become an online tutor because this one doesn't require you to be a teacher. Like, you don't have to have studied teaching in school or education. If you're a student, you can also become an online tutor. So online tutoring is basically for anyone who has knowledge in any kind of subject. And I believe everyone has a subject that they do well. So yeah, you can become an online tutor of any subject that you think you can do well. Make sure you don't go to, apply for a subject you're not very good at because you don't want to mislead people. There is a space for everybody online, so don't go to mislead people with something you're not good at. In case you're wondering how you can get online tutoring jobs, it's very, very easy, and it has become so common for people to actually study online. I remember in my video on how I make $500 every month, people asked me how I got a job on Udemy, and yeah, so in this video I'm going to tell you how you can get a job to become an online tutor. So yeah, basically online tutoring has become so common. So even if you go to Google and search online tutoring jobs, you're going to be getting so many job vacancies. But the only problem is that some of them are not supported in all countries. So maybe you're from Kenya, from Uganda, and then you find it's not in your country. So I'm going to give you the ones that are most common, in Africa, and most especially here in Kenya. So this is just a guide to quickly get an online tutoring job. And I'm going to give you 4 sites because these ones are the ones I think are good. So the most common sites are TutorMe, Tutor Vista. I'm going to be writing them here. I think you guys will screenshot this and save it, or maybe write somewhere, and then you go and Google and find those sites, and then you try to register with them. So we have TutorMe and we have Tutor Vista. Another site, Schooly. We also have Check. So those are 4 sites, and we have Math Elf. Yeah, those are 5 sites that you can go and check, but each site has a qualification. Of course, you cannot go to teach people without any qualification. So most of them actually require you to be a student at an institution. At least have an evidence that you're a student, or if not so, you should have a certificate to show you at least studied in a higher learning environment, maybe a college or a university. Yeah, because they need somebody who has information. And the good thing about being eloquent with many languages is that most tutoring jobs are actually for languages. So it's not all about maths and sciences, no. Mostly languages, because people want to learn many other languages. For example, I'm doing Spanish classes, but for me, mine is free. So yeah, if you're good at many languages, then this one is good for you. Go and look for language tutoring. We have sites that pay you to tutor English. We have others paying you to tutor Kiswahili, French, Spanish. I can give you the English sites. Just go and search for Bizmates. That's a good site. It actually gives you tutoring jobs for English. We have Inglo, something of that sort. I'll put the names here so that you guys can go and check them out. That's why I said you'll need to write these sites down because they are so good, and I believe they'll be super helpful. We have Fluent B, and we also have Italki. Those are very good sites if you want to be an English tutor. So if you want to be a Kiswahili tutor, there are also sites, for example, Italki. If you also want to be any other language tutor, you can go to Italki. You will find so many tutoring jobs there. That's a good site. So yeah, you can go and check those sites up, guys. And I don't know why I keep confusing this with transcription. So online tutoring is such a good job. In Kenya, it pays you actually around 2,000 per hour. But it will depend on the clients you have. So you guys can go to those sites and look for jobs. And there are so many other sites you can look for online tutoring jobs. For example, you can look for tutoring jobs in Udemy. You can go and set a profile for yourself, and then you say you offer tutoring jobs. Yeah, and people will find you there. By the way, Udemy is such a good site. I think I should do a video on one of these days, these 31 days of growth, on how to use Udemy to benefit you. So yeah, keep on checking for that video. In case you're wondering, we are doing 31 days of growth, or yeah, 31 days from 1st October. I have been posting a video. I'll post a video each and every day until 31st October. How about that, guys? So do not forget to come tomorrow for another video on another way to make money online. So I want by the end of 31 days, you guys to have at least 1 or 2 side hustles that you can do. So you just need to choose the one that suits you and you're good. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. I hope to see you guys in those 31 days. Do not forget to like this video, so that, you know, if you like my videos, it motivates me to continue posting. So don't forget to like this video. If you've not subscribed, subscribe so that you won't miss on my next videos. These are very beneficial videos. I would really love it if everyone gets to hear, and yeah, I hope this benefits you. If you have any questions, guys, comment down below. I'll be answering all your questions as always. So feel free to comment. It's actually free to comment down below and tell me your views on this video. Or if you have any question, ask. I'll definitely answer to all your questions. I really enjoy chatting with you guys. So please comment down below, and also follow me on IG. I usually give more tips there. You don't want to miss those small tips. And yeah, you can also ask me questions on IG. I definitely answer all your questions because this is something I love doing. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Hoping to see you guys in my next video. Until tomorrow. So bye.